If you are the type that set your video public the moment you upload it on YouTube, this single act can be hurting your video's view. It can be affecting your visibility. It can be affecting your views, even your watch hour on YouTube. Welcome to Shavera Voice. If you are serious about growing and making money here on YouTube, this is the right channel for you. So do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's dive into it. So you don't need to set your video public the moment you upload it. The moment you upload your YouTube video, you need to give the algorithm enough time to process your videos so as to send it to the right audience. If YouTube algorithm did not have enough time to process your description, your hashtags, your title, and your SEO tags, the YouTube algorithm will push this content to the wrong audience. And who are the wrong audience? One thing you should understand is that it's not everybody is interested in the kind of content you are creating. Whether you are into comedy, entertainment, cooking, YouTube growth, or whatever content you are creating on YouTube, not everybody is interested in your content, and there are specific people that are interested in the kind of content you are creating. That is why you have to give the algorithm enough time to study your content and know who the content is made for. If the YouTube algorithm send your content to the wrong audience, it affects your views, it affects your visibility, it affects you from getting enough views, it affects you from getting subscribers, even watch hours. Now, for example, if you are into football, you are creating content based on football, and the YouTube algorithm send this content to me that is not interested at all in anything concerning football, I will scroll past that content, and once I scroll past that video, it's going to hurt your CTR badly, and YouTube algorithm will assume that that video you are creating is not really okay, and that is why people are not clicking on it. Why? Because the YouTube algorithm don't know anything about your videos or about your channel. You have to give the YouTube algorithm enough time to process your video each time you upload it. That is why I'm going to introduce you to the best pattern for you to upload your video on YouTube and get the views that you deserve. Now, if you want to upload your video, don't use the mobile app version, use the Chrome version. In this Chrome version, there is this setting I want to show you. This settings here said publish to subscription field and notify subscribers. This is of two types. If you already have subscribers on YouTube, especially loyal subscribers, those that always come back to your video, like your video, comment, and this one is okay for you to leave it on, because each time you publish your video, YouTube algorithm send this video first to your subscribers, and in engagement in your video boosts the visibility of that very video. So once those people that is loyal to your content, to your video, watch this video at that first, it helps the algorithm to push that video even further to more people. Now, if you don't have subscribers at all on your channel, maybe you have, let's say, 1,500 subscribers, 200 subscribers, and those people are not loyal subscribers, I suggest you turn this place off. If you turn it off, YouTube algorithm will publish this video to other new people, and once you publish that video to other new people, YouTube algorithm will watch how people react to that video. If the video is okay, people will get to watch it, and algorithm will push that video even more. And that is why you have to give the YouTube algorithm enough time to process your content and know who exactly your content is made for. Now, which way should you upload your video? Let's go straight to that. If you get to this place, you will see public. I've explained it before. Sending your video public immediately you upload it on YouTube is very, very wrong. It's killing your views, it's killing your visibility. So don't even try it. You see unlisted, and you see premium. Here, private. This place now, you see private. This private here is any video you send on private is made for you, or you can send people the email if they have the email, but it will not reflect publicly on your video. That video will not reflect public on your video. That is private. Any video you send private is just made for you. Then there is unlisted here. This unlisted, any video that is unlisted is made for you, but you can send people link if you want people to watch it and give you feedback about that video before that video will go off. So you can send it to unlisted and then send people the link, and people watch that video and tell you more about the video before the video goes off. And with this, you can also pin a comment. If you have a comment that you want to pick, and pin a comment down on that video, so as immediately the video goes off, the first person that watched that video will meet that comment there already. So that is what unlisted is made for. Then another one is premium. This premium is for hype. It's also good for musicians, all those entertainment. They use it to YouTube uses to analyze their thumbnails and the rest of them. So the best one here we talk about is schedule. Schedule is the best way for you to upload your video, especially beginners, even big YouTubers. They use schedule, especially if you're a hardworking person, you have other things you are doing. You can plan your video within a week and schedule it here on YouTube. Then you go and do your things. You can schedule about 10 to 15 videos here and go about and do your things. Within this way, you have to keep, okay, this is public. This is the wrong side, the wrong way of uploading your videos. Another one you can see there is members only. This one is for those that have monetized their channel. So with this one, everyone can find the videos. You can see the video, but you cannot watch it unless you are a member. And to be a member, you have to pay a certain amount for you to be able to access the videos in this very place. This is membership only for those that are monetized. So let's see let me show you how to schedule your video. Okay, this is private unlisted. We have explained this. Let me show you how to properly schedule your video. Let's go. So this is the place. If you look at today's date, so you see the date here, the day I was creating this video, you see 29th. So this 29th should be on Friday. Then if I'm scheduling video on Friday, I should use this 29. I'll click here, I'll say okay. Then it will take me to this place. You look at this place, my video goes up by 5 p.m. every time that I want to send my video on, like Tuesday, Thursday and Sundays is 5 p.m. straight that my video goes up. So what I will do, I'll come to this place, click 5. Then I will now come here, click PM. Then I'll say, okay, I've scheduled this video. Whether I'm around or not, this video will go off immediately the time we get to that point. So this is how to schedule your video. That is the right way to upload video here on YouTube, putting it on schedule. So if you find value on this video, don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any comment at the comment section. And at the end of this video, ChatGPT is like me telling you to get a power bank to support your iPhone so that you will not run out of battery even when you are in the middle of creating content. ChatGPT is very, very important for you to have it as a content creator. It gives you unlimited video ideas. It helps you in your description. It helps you in many ways to make your creating content more easy, more strategical and more smarter. So install ChatGPT for easy and fastest way of growing on YouTube. I have a free PDF guide for beginners, step by step on how to have a successful YouTube journey. See you in my next video. Bye bye.